Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change color of your stickies on MacBook. So first of all, make sure that your stickies are open. Now select the sticky you want to change the color for, and for example I'm gonna choose this one, the blue one right here. Now you can do it manually by pressing on the color like this, and here pick whichever color you want. After selecting specific color, it should change to the one that you just picked. Also, you can press on the sticky again and use your control command and then numeral keys like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and that ends at 6 because 7 does nothing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.